back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the toner cartridge we just got for our printer, and I have my husband Kevy of Kevy's RC and Music coming to help me on this video because he's replaced a toner cartridge before, so I thought why not get a professional to do it. Anyway, I ordered this toner cartridge off of Amazon.ca. It is toner cartridge TN660, and it's to go into our printer Brother MFC L2720DW. This is an awesome way to save money when you're doing a lot of printing, especially, well, we print in black. We don't print color. So the black cartridge it does a lot of sheets. I'll put the specs in the description box below. So I thought to start off with, we'd do a bit of an unboxing, show you what comes in it, how it's packaged, and then Kev's going to do the install because we have totally run out the toner cartridge.
Oh yeah,
it's
flatline.
It's every time I try and print it pops up on the screen on my computer, your printer needs your attention, and it's like, yeah. I'm trying to use it up. These things are expensive, so here we go.
So this cartridge is also compatible with other printers.
Yeah.
They do list it on the box. It will be listed on the website. So if you don't have the same model printer as ours and the TN660 comes up, it's because it's also compatible. Yeah. Now, it will probably load different in some printers as well. Ours actually loads from the front. Some will load from the sides. It just depends, but these cartridges do work in a wide variety of the printers. And it's also a Brother original cartridge. It's not an aftermarket one. I'm pretty nervous when it comes to aftermarket cartridges on stuff, especially when you consider that some of these can be a little pricey. So it's like, do you really want to take that chance of a compatible one? We know in the past there's been a lot of issues, especially with inkjet printers, and they wouldn't reset because it's not a factory, or you refill the factory cartridge and it knew, and there were so many difficulties. So it's probably just easier just buy the original, pay the extra money. We're about to find out too, because we don't remember if the other one was the normal capacity or not, but this one I'm pretty sure is probably the higher capacity. And so we're just going to carefully wiggle things out here. And we have a locking tab here. We're going to push that, and that's how simple and easy it comes out. It's ridiculous. Okay, so we'll put this aside because that's our drum system. I got to replace the drum on this eventually too.
They're expensive though. You try and get the most use out of them.
This is a TN630.
Yeah.
So this is the lower capacity. This one's good for a whack load more. So let me get that out of the way. Now you'll see there's this plate on here. You got to pop this off. Keep your fingers off the roller where you get this. Comes off on your fingers. It's toner powder, so. Anyways, then of course we just take it like this and gently pop it back in. That's it. And then we got to carefully slide this puppy back into the printer. Don't force it, just gently wiggle it because you don't want to break stuff. Otherwise your printer will be done for. And then close it up, lock it up, and it'll come up on the display, please wait. While you're waiting for that, this guard that came with the other one, slam it onto this. Try not to totally destroy your packaging. Throw it in there, and then dispose of that according to whatever your garbage rules are where you live. Sometimes these things have to go to hazardous places, whatever. Oh, look, it's pretty in black. We got a full level again. And that's it. That's all there is to changing this thing. It is that simple. You don't need to call in a pro to do this for you. although I know my wife called me a professional, just because I've done this a lot, and I used to sell computers for a living. She joined me in doing that at one time too. So we have a lot of experience when it comes to technology,
Techie
period.
stuff,
Doesn't matter what kind of tech it is, really. If it's there, I'm into it pretty much. So there you go. We're reloaded. We're ready to go. Ready to print. It ain't going to bark at us for probably about another 3,000 sheets or whatever this one's good for. This is the higher capacity one, so that's good. So, but yeah, great deal off Amazon, I think, for the price. And like I said, it's a Brother original, so it's less hassle, no problem. Slap, go. And remember what I said about that black roller. Keep your fingies off of it. Just carefully pull the guard. I got a little bit of black powder on my finger, but you know, it's kind of like blow it off and you're good to go. So, Susan, you can take it from here.
Thanks, honey, for your help. This is so necessary sometimes. A lot of people don't follow written directions so well, but a quick video like this can sometimes clear up the whole situation, show you just how easy it is to do. And I thought it was worth putting up here on YouTube.
Well, the thing is, if you call some guy at a computer store, you can tell him anything you want. Oh, I got this model and that model. He's going to take 10 minutes and search out a YouTube video himself if there is one. Okay, because not every computer tech knows your stuff, right? But people who put videos up, like us and many others, of how-tos, a visual is better than listening to somebody trying to explain it to you on the phone.
Yeah.
Right? Because, like I said, it's the same part numbered cartridge.
Just watch a quick video, you can do this, right?
Yeah, and this cartridge covers like a half a dozen printers, and I noticed the diagram on the box showed it going in sideways. And it's like, ours doesn't go in sideways, ours goes right in the front. You know? So that can be a bit deceptive for you too. There's the list of all the printers that this cartridge fits in. Drop and go. So yours could be a side loader. It could be, who knows, right? But for this exact printer, this is what you're going to get. And if you do have a side loader, there's going to be a hatch. Check your manual. It'll show you where the hatch is to get access to the cartridge for the printer. And you can do this real simple and easy, just by reading the manual. Or when in doubt, search out your model of printer. Away you go. And you can get that information that way.
So, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.